Welcome back my YouTube channel. Hato pikwa ban kran parang pej yakane kaching hikai kan yara bp lada pio sngeu chung mantoy na kane ka video wanam glad ban share lam shiki perlok lane hayeng hasam jong pi wanam glad ro ban like share and subscribe. A tree is known by its fruit. Kasi ya udeng lai itu na uso jong o. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Kasi kaching lek hoj kalong kadak jong kaching riu blay. Patience is better but its fruit is sweet. Kasi kajing yaisha kakthang henrei uso jongka uthiang. First come first serve. Kasi uba shua uyo shua. Some things is better than no things. Kasi kendiat kenshoj kakamba ban yakaba klem le a. United we stand, divided we fall. Kasi teli ngin yang sapret ngin kalan. While there is life, there is hope. Kasi kat padang sa kamen sim dang don kajing kerman. Self-help is the best help. Kasi kajing yarap yalade kadai kajing yarap babatam. Charity begins at home. Kasi kajing le isin a ya kiway kastang na laying. Honesty is the best policy. Kasi kahok kalong kapuj kababhatam. Practice makes a man perfect. Kasi kajing persyang kapenlong ya ubriu banlong ubajanai. The pen is mightier than the sword. Kasi kham khlanh ukhulam ban yakawait lam. Prevention is better than cures. Kasi kajing yada kakhambha ban yakajing penkhe. No pain, no gain. Kasi klem kajing pensitam om chu yo nong. Empty vessel sound much. Kasi kikhu kibatali kisawabha. I hope this video will help you. Kasi nga kermen bakane ka video kan yarab yapi. When you lose hope, remember that God always be with us. Kasi haba pidu jing kermen kan mau ba ublay udon barabor batngi. We need to support each other. Kasi ngi don kam ban kershan yuway ya yuway. Your support will inspire others. Kasi kajing kershan jong pi kan ai mensin ya yuway. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye.